guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming a nice glowy, oh my god, this was not what I was gonna film. Now that I think about it, I was gonna film something else and I filmed this. Okay, it's okay. I loved how it looks, so I filmed a dewy, I'd say it's like a glowy dewy look all over my face. The only way you guys can check all this makeup out is by continuing watching the video. So I'm gonna stop talking, so let's get started. Let's go. Why so much noise? Like, can't they do this somewhere else? Gee, I'm also sick. Yay. So I'm trying, these are by Beauty Creations, aka Colorina Cosmetics. I saw these brushes and they were like, I was like, oh, they look so cute, like the pinks. You know, I'm like a neutral kind of girl, but when it comes to like accessories like this, I just feel like I need those vibrant, really cute colors. So I bought it and I have not tried it because I wanted to try it in a video. I haven't even touched them, you guys. Like, these are so pretty. Yes. Now, I'm not a big fan of fan brushes, as you all know, but I'm willing to try this one. You see this? These are beautiful. I'm gonna have music, so hopefully I don't get copyright. I'm gonna do my brows off camera. I'm gonna try this blush. So today's palette, I'm using the Tartelette in Bloom from Tarte Cosmetics. I'm gonna go in with Smarty Pants for my transition. We're going for a nice dewy look, and I also want like vibrant glittery eyes. I'm gonna take Funny Girl. It's actually cracked. I don't know if you guys can see it. It broke, so I'm gonna go very careful. So I'm gonna blend that brown with the glitter. While I was baking, I applied my lashes. That's usually what I do, and I just put some mascara on, which I haven't done that. I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna put the same colors that I put for my crease. Focus on me, bitch. I like my artwork. is real pigmented. I'm gonna use, for a very dewy look, the Champagne Pop from Becca Cosmetics. Beautiful, look at that. I'm gonna try the fan brush. Wait, I should have wet it. I'm gonna wet it. Nice. Oh my god. I'm gonna put some right here, so when I'm like, you see that? Yeah. I'm not used to having highlight on the forehead. Look at me. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments for more video ideas. Sorry for my hideous voice. I'm sick, so but I did film, at least, even when I'm sick. I filmed for you guys. Reviews about the brushes. These, they're so beautiful. I so far love the ones that I use. They're really good products. I suggest for you guys to get them. If you guys are from Puerto Rico, you guys should go get them, of course. And even the fan brush worked really well on my, do you see that? Like, I keep putting more and more, and I liked it so far. So yes, I will see you guys on my next video. I'm saying goodbye with my beautiful brushes and colors. Bye.